Alright, everyone. Today is CPI. Today is news. Let's take a look. Refresh. We are going to get Euro news in the next 1 minute. So, let's see. Euro JPY. Just for monitoring's sake, let's see what the news brings. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so the Euro news did not change anything. I don't trade Euro, so that's why I didn't really um, go in and do more analysis on this. But it came exactly what the previous numbers were and what the forecast numbers were. Alright, so we'll go back to gold. Gold has been dropping, dropping, dropping. Could there be a possibility where we could just flip this candle all the way 270 pips? Could we be grabbing liquidity? GJ, I think GJ is going down as well right now. Overall bullish. Alright, so yeah, we were looking at what is CPI, Consumer Price Index, which measures the average change over time in price paid by urban consumers for a fixed basket of goods and services. So if there were tariffs, it would be measured in this report. Oh, right. Paki, when is the crash coming? Nice guitar voice is not coming. Yeah, men mute pick kiya hua tha Um, News Aj, your mic is messed up. No, it's not messed up. I put it on mute. Aj, unemployment and CPI news. Today is going to be big news day. CPI is a consumer price index where whatever the price consumer is paying for goods that is priced in a that is measured in a report. So let's say if there's tariffs that are being implied, that is going to be measured in this report. And then unemployment claims, that's just the definitions in the word. So unemployment claims for actually this was something interesting to me because I looked at a report where since April 21st of 2021, I believe, so we did not have this happen where our unemployment was higher than the jobs in the market. So it's been 4 or 5 years since that happened, and uh, this happened. It happened this month, which means that unemployment claims should be negative as well. It will be a negative news for USD, which could possibly drive gold higher. So gold has been going down for this daily candle, and I think there could be a possibility where we could just flip and continue to push bearish. Okay, but it all depends on the news. नाक बंद हो रहा है यार एक Ethereum, perfect. So last night I was doing a recap for the video that I created on weekly analysis on Sunday, and I did mention that we're gonna continue to fill this wick. So in the last night's video, the candle was like around here. I did mention that we're gonna continue to push up and fill this wick just because the market structure has been creating higher highs. It's been an uptrend, and that is exactly what happened. I'll clip that because I literally talked about this yesterday in the video. GJ pushing up. How much time do we have till news? 7:21, so we have 9 minutes. Let me go get some water. Where's my phone? Oh, it's right here. Right here. I've been getting 6 hours of sleep, and I've realized it's not enough for me. I need at least 7 to 8 hours. I don't know if you can tell from my face, but I need more sleep. Doge, yesterday I talked about the price pushing up and possibly coming to the areas of 25 500. We got close, and because what I said, my exact words were that either we will come close to this wick or we will fill the whole wick. All right, we're back on the C Trader. Yesterday I messed up. Yesterday I took a loss. Let me show you. Because what happened was that yesterday, yeah. What happened was that I thought there was news that was happening, and so I did buy stops and sell stops. Basically, buy stops and sell stops means that if price continues to push in that direction, it will activate my order. Let's say if it's buy, if it's going up, it will activate buy. If it's going down, it will activate sell. Right? So that's usually what you trade with in news because it just pushes so quick. What happened was that I thought it was the news that was happening, but news didn't come in till 15 minutes later. And right, okay, there you go. This is it. I'll show you. I'll show you. Basically, I entered way too quick. Yeah. So I thought this candle was news, right? But actually this candle, the slingshot of a candle, that was news. And I closed because this move going up was within seconds. I closed it. Then I was trying to buy over here. That didn't work out. So I had to stay back, and I ended up just getting in a sell. So that's where when the candle, I think candle was coming down, that's where I sold and got about 50 pips out of it. But yesterday, the whole thing messed up. This whole thing was because I thought it was news, but news didn't come in until 15 minutes later. Also, I think I'm getting my one nostril is closed. Oh, all all history, we are still positive $361. Oh, so there's volume coming in the market. Look at this. Because it's around the news time, this this candle alone was about 90 points, 90 pips. There is volume coming in the market. How are we doing here? 15 minutes. We're just gonna go in the 15 minutes. We don't need to see anything else right now. You feel me? Okay. What? Move, bro. Move. So we've got 3 minutes. Let's get Saad on the call. I've got 3 viewers. Nice.
अस्सलाम
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सर, क्या हाल है?
मैं ठीक ठाक आप सुनाएं।
अल्लाह का शुक्र। ये रात के आपके 10 बजे मुझे मैसेज आ रहे हैं, आप सोते नहीं हो?
नहीं मेरी असल में रूटीन जो है वो थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है।
हाँ, वो बताया था। यू सेड यू आप जाते हो 5 फजर
यस
के वक्त सोते हो।
यस वो चेंज हो जाएगी यूनिवर्सिटी टाइम में।
हाँ, फजर के वक्त नहीं, वो उस वक्त तो आपके मेरे ख्याल से 8 बजे होंगे ना सुबह के, अगर मेरे 10 बजे
यस
थे। ओके, अभी न्यूज़ टाइम है। In 2 minutes, and then after that we'll do some reviews. Okay,
ओके
सही। Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is buy stops and sell stops. So I'm gonna have a sell stop below the wick of this candle, actually right around here, and I'm gonna have a buy stop right above here. I'll wait for the candles. Yeah, we got 40 seconds. So when it's about 10 seconds left, I will at that point have buy stops and sell stops. Let me change the, let me see, sell stop, quantity 50, modify. Okay, buy stop, quantity. Okay, we are ready. Oh, sell stop got triggered. No, 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 no. No. Yeah, no. Okay, we're in a buy right now. I am in a buy right now, and if the price comes back, I'm gonna close it. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, see, it triggered my sell stop, and then I start pushing up. Yeah. Mm. Trading news is it's very risky. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Damn. Ethereum didn't get much affected. What are the numbers? Yeah, unemployment came up higher. CPI was positive. CPI was positive. Unemployment overall. Gold should continue to push up. Gold should continue to push up. But why did it go down first? That's wild. I'm gonna bring the stop loss at break even.
आज की मार्केट अच्छी नहीं है।
यूएसडी की रिपोर्ट आई थी, उसमें बेसिकली यूएसडी को यानी बताया गया कि यहाँ हमारे पास अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत है, यानी कि बेरोज़गारी बहुत है, और जो प्राइस हम पे कर रहे हैं ना चीज़ों की वो भी ज़्यादा है।
तो मतलब प्राइस डिक्रीज होगी।
नहीं, बस ये न्यूज़ में बता देते हैं कि भाई ये हो रहा है, और वो जब न्यूज़ आती है ना तो वो मार्केट पे इम्पैक्ट करती है एज एन चार्ट्स पे, तो वो इमीडिएट इम्पैक्ट हम देखते हैं, बाकी तो इतना कोई नहीं। वो फिर
ठीक।
रेट कट्स होते हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं जिस पे इन्फ्लेशन संभाली जाती है। जॉब्स फिर जो है ना, जैसे अभी फ़िलहाल सारी जॉब्स ज़्यादातर बाहर के मुल्कों में जाती हैं, ये चीज़ें ख़त्म होती हैं। कि जॉब्स
सही
बाहर
सही।
के मुल्कों के लोगों को कम देते हैं, यानी कि जैसे पाकिस्तान इंडिया में काफ़ी जॉब्स यानी कि यहाँ पे लोग कर दे देते हैं। तो वो कहते हैं कंपनी वाइज ना, बड़ी कंपनीज जो हैं उनके पूरे पूरे डिपार्टमेंट इंडिया में बैठे हुए हैं, तो
सही।
वो फिर उसको जो है ना कहते हैं कि इस तरह की आप चीज़ें ना करें। आप अपने मुल्क में लोगों को जॉब दें ताकि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम हो।
सही सही।
Yeah, see, gold is trying to push up, and this could possibly flip bullish. इधर डोज बढ़ गया।
हम्म।
um this was up।
मीम भी नहीं था एक?
हम्म। ये मीम
एक
था।
मीम कॉइन भी था ना?
ये मीम था। फिर उसके बाद ये काफ़ी जो है ना, आई मीन स्टेबल रहा है। तो जब कॉइन स्टेबल हो जाता है ना, तो देन यू कैन trade and you can see, news impacts. Ethereum didn't have much going on. Yeah, Ethereum and Bitcoin had exactly the same reaction. What is the possibility we could flip bullish? I think there is a higher possibility we could flip bullish and continue to push up, because just the news was really bad. Let's see, كده we're in profit. We are $600 in profit. 600, and so about 120 pips, almost 700. Oh, 700. Yeah. I'm gonna close this at 700. I think that should be, because there is resistance coming up on the left hand side. Holy. GJ, what happened? GJ down. GJ is down. पता क्या होता है, जैसे दूसरे पेयर्स है ना, GBP JPY, अब ये GBP यूके का है, JPY जापानीज येन, क्योंकि गोल्ड,
चाइना के
सॉरी,
भी हैं?
जापानीज।
चाइनीज चाइनीज आ गए कॉइन्स इसमें?
चाइना, लेट्स सी।
अच्छा, वैसे इसके अंदर और स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर क्या फर्क है?
ये 5 दिन 24 घंटे चलती है स्टॉक मार्केट, 5 दिन 9 to 5 चलती है, आई थिंक 9 to 4, 8 to 4 आई बिलीव, दैट्स इट। और इसमें आपको ना, आई मीन यू हैव प्रॉपर कैंडल्स, राइट? यू you can anticipate a move easily on a higher time frame, whereas let's say SPY or SPX, ये ढांचा जो है ना, ढांचा बना हुआ है, सही स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है,
सही।
क्योंकि ये फिर ब्रेक आ जाती है क्लोज की. It was closed for the rest of the day. That's why there is a break. So लोग पता है क्या करते हैं, लोग 1 मिनट की कैंडल में चले जाते हैं. That's where you get a little bit more structure. तो वो 1 मिनट की कैंडल पे जाके ट्रेड करते हैं. So there's not a whole lot of difference. If this 5 minute closes bullish, then it doesn't look like it's closing bullish. Yeah, no, it's not closing bullish. So we did enter this area at 25. I am up 15% on Doge for the week. Mm. So basically, what happened was that CPI, Consumer Price Index, came in positive, which means that we're paying more as consumers. We're paying more for the goods. It's not really, overall healthy for the market. Then we have unemployment claims, people claiming more unemployment by the report, which means that there's less jobs in the market. Uh, Actually, what it means is that it's just people are more unemployed. It has nothing to do with less jobs in the market, although that is true. But people are more unemployed right now than they have been in the last 5 years. So these negative sentiments towards USD brings more positive volume in gold. That's why we saw gold pushing up. What what I don't know is why we went down first, because that triggered my sell. Why do I keep clicking on this? Mm. Okay, let's view the tracker. Green, green, green. Damn, look at
इस
this.
रात को ये और भी चेंज हो जाएंगे।
ओके, कौन सी हम इनमें से किसी को भी शुरू कर दें रिव्यू करना?
किसी को भी शुरू कर दें।
चलो हम शुरू करते हैं. पहले इंक्लूड द इमेज एरो.
बाय द वे आज नेट स्टेबल है, लैग नहीं है।
कल नहीं था?
कल था।
कल था स्टेबल?
कल नहीं था स्टेबल,
So
कल
I
नहीं
explained
था।
August
अच्छा.
14 by fakeouts as to what when the price is breaking above. This is above. This is the post version where. So I explained August 14 how to identify fakeouts as to what when the price is breaking above. This is the post version where the price broke down and this was a fake out and we continue to push down to previous ranges. I'm going to help you guys identify how to look for fake outs. So next time when you see one, you can trade accordingly. So the price, we went up and created a high and we came down with the leg and created a support. Let's draw the support right now. Next candle is pushing up and breaking above this high, right? Closed above the high, but then the price is moving down and coming back into the range. Once this candle, this red candle, it has broken above the previous candle's high, there is no reason for it to come back and close back into the range that it broke out from. So at that time, this here, this green candle, is going to be a fake out. And there's a higher probability for the price to continue down towards 2200, towards the previous support.
Nice. GJ candle fill. All right, let's see.
This next candle, I talked about how this next candle doesn't have anywhere to go below, so it's going to continue to fill this wick, and that's exactly what happened. We continue to fill this wick, and not only we continue to fill the wick, we went and continue to test these highs. A lot of the times when a candlestick closes with no wick and has a wick at the start, there's a higher probability for the next candle, even if it breaks below, but to close and fill the wick of the previous candle.
अच्छा, इसमें अगर हम एक और चेंज करना चाहें, something like
Yes.
this, कि अगर हम यहाँ पे ये जब इस क्लिप का शुरू हो रहा है, या ये when we're transitioning from here to this screen, अगर हम यहाँ पे लिख दें 15 minutes earlier for 2 सेकंड के लिए, यहाँ पे आ जाए 15 minutes earlier, maybe 1 second, तो हमें ये आखिर में जो है ना ये क्लिप, कि इस क्लिप की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
दोबारा सही है.
You get what I'm saying?
आप ये कह रहे हो कि यहाँ पे 15 मिनट्स अर्लियर वाला जो क्लिप है वो स्टार्ट में आया, वो दोबारा ना आया.
नहीं, ये क्लिप की बात नहीं मैं कर रहा. So this clip here, right? So when this transitions
continue to test these highs a lot
into this, कि अभी मैं this is 15 minutes earlier basically. ये जो clip है ना, it's the same thing as this right here. तो यहाँ पे at 17 seconds,
ओके.
17 seconds पे अगर हम ऊपर बस लिख दें 15 minutes earlier, 15 minutes, yeah,
ठीक है.
15 minutes earlier, वो 2 सेकंड के लिए ऊपर लिखा हुआ आएगा, तो ये हम जो है ना वीडियो ख़त्म कर देंगे 30 seconds पे, 31 seconds पे. We don't need to go and show this clip at the end which is 15 minutes earlier. समझ आ रही?
सही है. मतलब आप ये कह रहे हो कि यहाँ पे जो 15 मिनट्स अर्लियर जो ऊपर लिखा हुआ आ रहा है, ये पहले आना चाहिए.
हाँ, ये आप 17 seconds पे जो है ना, 17 seconds पे इस स्क्रीन पे अगर आप ले आओ, let me show you.
आप ट्रैकर में मेंशन कर देना, मैं उसको देख लेता हूँ।
Okay. इस तरह. Do you see the screen?
ये तो
The
स्क्रीनशॉट है।
times when a
हाँ
candlestick
आपको दिखा रहा हूँ ना किस
closes
तरह यानी कि what I'm looking forward. इस तरह 2 सेकंड के लिए ऊपर लिखा हुआ है 15 minutes earlier on this screen, which is
with no
about 17
candlestick
seconds.
close. A lot of the times when
और फिर जो नेक्स्ट है जहाँ पे है 15 मिनट्स अर्लियर वाला,
We don't
वो
need
पार्ट
that
रिमूव कर
anymore.
दूँ?
You don't need that anymore.
ओके।
ठीक है. And okay, perfect. सही है. Also, gold trade. We are out. I'm out of the gold trade. So I'm basically looking forward for some sort of support and then it continue to push up. अच्छा, ये हो गया. Let's see. Remove 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. Let's view this reel.
that's it. I am out of this trade. The idea here is as this candle is breaking below its own low,
Nice.
then it should continue to move down. That's it. I am out of this trade. I told you I will be aggressive with this. There's 17 pips. 17 points it went down.
This is good. This is good. So I'll approve this. Change the charts into animation. Okay.
इसके अंदर कुछ चीज़ें मैंने चेंज की हैं, सारी चीज़ें अगर मैं चेंज करता तो वो बिल्कुल ऑकवर्ड हो रहा था, तो कुछ मैंने बीच में वो वाले क्लिप्स रखे हैं।
क्या खा रहे हो?
मैं अभी नाश्ता कर रहा हूँ।
Damn son.
I'll be watching how the spread is while taking the trade, and I'll incorporate that spread in our analysis and sort of like a trade here. We explained spread earlier. Spread is basically the gap between buy and sell price.
Nice.
So if buy
I
price
like
is
this.
$1 and sell price is $1.50, the spread will be 50 cents.
Nice.
I'll be watching how this
Approved. Bring this clip first. 149. Okay, let's see. Gold sells clockwork.
Three trades on a Friday. All three bangers. Honestly, if this plays out, this is clockwork. We took this trade, and now we're taking this one. It rejected, and now we're trying to fill the range. So this is just clockwork, honestly. I'm going to make this trade here. The stop loss will be above this candle's high. What do we have here? We're 20 pips. Secure 90% at this time. So secure 85% right here, right? This will be a risk-free trade.
Nice. Heavy. Okay. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 days worth of material here, which means that we are
Yes.
finally ahead in the. So I'm gonna start posting from today.
आप लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट भी बनाएंगे?
Long form content. Yeah, eventually.
मीन्स के मतलब ना टॉकिंग हेड वीडियोस लाइक रील्स के अलावा.
Yeah, I mean बन सकती हैं. अभी फिलहाल जो है ना I'm gonna post everything to see which catches on because account is very at the lowest. I don't know if what's gonna catch on. 20 minutes
अभी तो
day
दिन ही है,
trade.
बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
क्या हुआ?
अभी तो स्टार्ट
See,
है,
we
टाइम
have
तो
broken
लगेगा.
Yes. Yep.
See, we have broken above the previous high, so stops 7 pips and target these ranges. Yeah, we're at 10 pips. The thing is, with this candle closing with no wick, the next candle could continue to push down. So I'm gonna make my stop loss break even.
Okay. Actually, let's take a look at Raja Banks. What is he doing?
वो भी अभी लाइव
Hmm?
लाइव है वो भी.
हाँ वो लाइव वो CPI ट्रेड कर रहा था ना. Let's see how his CPI, how his news trading was.
A week just because he dig deep down in his potential. You know, oh, it is the Dominion, and you to just look at gold and the way it's amazing. Look at that shit.
Yeah, I think same thing happened with him.
Yeah, I'm blocked. He blocked me. He blocked me.
Who blocked him?
Yeah, I'm blocked. Oh, this is it right. Oh, this is it right over here. Yeah, I'm blocked. Real Daniel Savage.
Somebody blocked him. Okay, let's see. Oh, Daniel
What
Savage.
got activated and I got. And this is no rubbing head moment because price is not moving. We're not moving in the last minute. There's no movement happening in the last minute. Nothing is happening. What if I get slipped? Then I'm going to lose more money. You know, what if I get slipped? So we're retracing now, which is good. This is good. Look at that. Right? We're retracing. Let's have a sell stop as well.
Sell stop.
There was a
is,
CPI
yeah.
where I lost $50,000. I hope it does not happen today here. There was a CPI I lost 50,000 because my buy stop and sell stop, they both got activated and I got wrecked by the market. So I'm just having my buy stop above the 15-minute candle and sell stop somewhere over here because I don't know where price is going to go. I don't know. If anyone, if you're saying gold will, people are saying down, man, I have no idea where price is going to go. No clue at all. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Moving up, moving down, moving up, moving down.
And
oh,
that's
something got activated.
Yep.
Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah, oh. Woo! Holy shit. Holy shit. Do you see this? Thank God I'm not in this bullshit. This is crazy. Man. Man. I made $200. Wow.
यार ये रियल ट्रेड
Do
कर
you
रहा है?
see what
हाँ हाँ
और इसका चार्ट इतना तेज क्यों चल रहा है?
न्यूज आई थी ना, मेरा भी इतना ही तेज चल रहा था. That was news. ये कैंडल जो थी ना, look at it, 1 minute. 1 मिनट में ये इतना ऊपर नीचे गया. That was news.
सही.
But this is bullshit price action. It went down, it went up, and now it's down again. Market gave us bad data. Gold should have continued to push up.
अब ये जो नीचे एक लाइन जा रही है बारीक सी पतली सी, इसको क्या कहेंगे?
Yeah?
वो ग्रीन वाली जो कैंडल है उसके ऊपर भी बहुत बड़ी लाइन है और
हाँ
नीचे
हाँ, उसे कहते हैं wick.
इस नहीं वो तो है, बट ये इसके ऊपर और नीचे दोनों एक ही स्ट्रेट लाइन है ना वो.
हाँ ना, ये ऊपर नीचे जो लाइन है ना, दरमियान में बॉडी है ना?
यस.
That's called a wick.
ये
So
मैं
that
फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा
actually,
हूँ.
let's watch the DSLR video. What is a candlestick?
दोबारा रिकॉर्ड किए?
यार मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया जो मुझे सामने नजर आया. First clip. This is gonna answer your question. So let's see if this answers your question actually.
ओके.
Hey, have you seen a red or a green candle in the market? Those identify the price of the stock or whatever you're trading. So let's suppose this candle here is a 5-minute candle. Now, let's suppose this is a green candle. It will have a high and a low. So this is the lowest the price has been in the last 5 minutes. And this is the highest the price has been in the last 5 minutes. This here, since it's a green candle, this here will be the start of the candle. And this right here is where the price closed at the end of that 5 minute. Hope that helps.
Then we have red candle.
यार तो ये भाई ये जो अभी वीडियोस है ना, मतलब थोड़ा सा कैमरा दूर करने की जरूरत है.
अच्छा जी. Okay.
यस.
So, on the flip side of things,
नहीं
let's
लेकिन
assume
ये
this
भी
is
ना
the
यूज
red
होंगी, ये अच्छी बनी है, यूज हो जाएगी.
candle.
बट
Right?
लेकिन वही बात है कि रील के लिए हमें उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Now, since it's a red candle, this right here will be the start. And this will be the close of the candle. Candlesticks will tell you where the market is going to go, where the price is going to go. It's like the ABC before you start learning actually how to trade. Hope that makes sense.
ठीक है जी.
यस.
समझ आई आपको?
यस.
कोई नहीं समझ आई है.
बट एक चीज और है
Yes.
कि ये चीजें ना ज्यादातर मतलब आप एक चीज समझाते हैं ना, नाम याद रह जाता है भाई ये क्या चीज है, ये क्या चीज है, बट वो चीज क्या काम करती है ये चीज भूल जाती है.
Hmm.
ये मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसे होता है, मैं जब एडिट कर रहा होता हूँ ना, तो उस टाइम पे फिर दोबारा से जब वो चीज देखता हूँ तो फिर कुछ समझ आती है, कुछ चीज भूली पड़ी होती है.
सही. अच्छा, तो ये चीज़ें, ये जो मैंने है ना DSLR वीडियोस, ये मैं इस फोल्डर में ऑर्गेनाइज करके बना के डाल रहा हूँ. अब वो आपने जूम आउट करना है, उसे जूम इन करना है.
टेक्सटिंग होगी इसके ऊपर, मतलब ये और
अच्छा.
चीजें. अब आप मुझे ये बताएं कि इसको रील फॉर्मेट में बनाना है या दूसरे.
Short videos are always going to be real format.
सही है.
या
नेक्स्ट है ना, अगर
क्या
कैमरे
रील
की सेटिंग्स
फॉर्मेट
है
क्या
उसका,
मतलब इन्हीं के
रील फॉर्मेट ये है ना कि उसकी कैमरे की जो है रेजोल्यूशन आप चेंज करेंगे।
दिस इज 1920।
ये 1920 बाई 1080 है,
यप।
और आपको जो चाहिए वो 1080 बाई 1920 है।
तो तुम चेंज कर लोगे या
आप
मैं
उस
चेंज करूं?
ये आप चेंज करेंगे, और आप जब चेंज करेंगे ना, तो इसमें आपकी बॉडी भी थोड़ी ज़्यादा नज़र आएगी, और कैमरे की ना मतलब हाइट इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, वेट कम हो जाएगी, ऐसे होगा।
Let's see. So रिकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या चाहिए?
मुझे नहीं, वो अभी जो रिकॉर्डिंग हुई हुई है वो कन्वर्ट नहीं करेगा ये।
हाँ हाँ, लेकिन मैं आगे सेटिंग्स देख रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई डोंट
हाँ,
हैव अ सेटिंग हियर फॉर 1080 बाय 1920।
वहाँ पे शायद रेशो होगी।
मेरे पास 10 1920 बाय 1080 लो कॉम्प में है, हाई कॉम्प में है 30 फ्रेम्स में है, 24 फ्रेम्स में है।
ये आपको ना 1080p के ऊपर ना सेटिंग्स दिखा रहा है, बट आपको जो सेटिंग्स चाहिए
I
वो
think
हैं
I'm gonna execute a buy
1080
here.
बाय 1920।
So I executed a buy here, anticipating for price to continue to push up based on a smaller time frame target. अच्छा, तो ये मैं मूवी सेटिंग्स में हूँ, ये नहीं है कि एक सेटिंग में है किसी चीज़ की। सो आई हैव 1920 by 1080 and then
यस,
I have 640 by 480. I have 1280 by 720 in 60 frames, high comp and low comp.
1280 बाय
1280 by 720, high comp and low comp, both in 60 frames per second.
जस्ट अ सेकंड, मुझे ये चीज़
आप देख लो यार।
करनी पड़ेगी। यस, ये ही है 1280 बाय 720 वाली।
हाई कॉम्प या लो कॉम्प?
हाई कॉम्प में एफपीएस क्या आ रहे हैं?
सेम एफपीएस।
सेम एफपीएस हैं। आप पहले अभी जो आपने रिकॉर्ड किया है ये वीडियो, ये हाई कॉम्प में है, लो कॉम्प में है?
अभी जो मैंने रिकॉर्ड की थी ये है, ये लो कॉम्प में है, या ये लो लो कॉम्प में
ओके,
है।
ओके, आप ना लो कॉम्प में ही रिकॉर्ड करें, ऐसे ना हो कि वो दूसरी फाइल बना के दे दे, फिर वो कंप्रेस करनी पड़ेगी।
अच्छा, we can let's see the difference, right? What is the difference between low comp and high comp?
हाई कॉम्प के अंदर ना ये एमओवी फाइल बनाएगा, और दूसरी में ये MP4 पर बनाएगा।
अच्छा।
यस, जो एमओवी फाइल्स होती हैं ना, मतलब जिस तरह आईफोन के अंदर आप वो नहीं बनाते, मतलब 4K के अंदर कुछ पिक्चर्स बनाओ या वीडियोस बनाओ ना, वो दूसरे फोन्स में जाके नहीं ओपन होती बाज, वो ये सीन है।
Hmm.
उसके लिए आपको प्रॉपर फिर दूसरा सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए होता है।
Settings in camera control how much data is discarded to reduce video file size. High compression creates smaller files with some less quality, while low compression produces larger files with high quality. Sahi. You are right. You are right.
ऐसे ही है ना?
ऐसे ही है, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है। तो 1280 by 720, yeah, 60 frames. पिछले वाला जो था ना वो 30 फ्रेम्स था, पिछली अभी जो वीडियो बनाई है. So let's okay this. Let's go back. Oh, oh. Nice यार. Okay. All right. That is it for today's live stream on CPI. I will be closing this trade here soon. I want to make sure that we have one more push at the end, and then I'll close. What time is it? 8:10. Okay. All right. With that,
तो ये
I'll
भी मुझे दोबारा से आप रेशियो बताएं.
uh 1220 by 780, 60 frames per second.
1280 बाय 720. और
हाँ.
इसका अपोजिट है आपके पास?
ऑपोजिट क्या? नहीं है.
मतलब पहले 720 फिर 1280.
मेरे पास 6 कुछ है, 6 and 440. Then I
नहीं,
have
वो 480p चला जाएगा, वो बहुत गंदा हो जाएगा. नहीं, यहाँ पे ना हमें जो रेशियो चाहिए ना वो है 9:16. मीन्स ये है कि वाइड कम होगा और लेंथ में ज्यादा होगा. बट अब यहाँ पे जो आ रही है ना, मैंने वो 1280 720 वाली भी किया, वो यही है कि वो यूट्यूब वाली है.
क्या आपको चाहिए? 720 बाय
1280 हो जाए या 1920 बाय 1080 हो जाए. मीन्स ये है कि हमें ना पोर्ट्रेट में चाहिए, 9:16 चाहिए.
It's not possible to achieve directly in a Canon camera. The standard 16 by 19 widescreen format, which all Canon cameras with HD, the reverse and vertical format, which you must create in post-production. तो ये कह रहा है कि पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Yep. तो कह रहा है कि बाद में जो है एडिटिंग में कर लो, अभी पॉसिबल नहीं है.
चले, मैं इसको यूट्यूब पे सोल्यूशन निकाल के तो फिर मैं वो आपको डायरेक्ट सेंड कर.
ठीक है जी. ओके. चलो सही है. मुझे इजाज़त दो. I will talk to you tomorrow.